it meant having a ringside seat at, you know, on a fascinating institution, obviously. I had a lot of freedom to do what I wanted with the beat because the editors were basically pretty clueless and not terrifically hands-on involved, and so I could sort of follow my own instincts, and the longer I did it, I think the more free I felt to be analytical and just write the story of what was happening at the court as I would tell it to somebody, basically. And by that I mean not by decorating the story with a lot of quotes from so-called experts, most of whom, frankly, didn't know as much about the subject as I did, and so I wasn't going to pretend that they did. So, you know, I've always thought if I see a Supreme Court story that, you know, law professor A says this, law professor B says that, and the reader's left saying, okay, but what does it mean at the end of the day? And I dispensed with all that, and I just told them what I thought it meant. Not whether I thought it was good or bad, but whether I thought it was important and in what way and how it was going to move the law. And my main effort was to give readers a context of where this case came from, why it was there. You know, the court only takes 1% of all the cases that reach it, so every case they accept is taken for a purpose, why it's there, what happened, what it tells us about the institution, and what's likely to happen next. And I wrote the stories as if I was talking to myself, an avid follower of public affairs, before I happened to have any specialized knowledge about the subject.